of information to Senator Sifuna if he accepts.
Then you need permission from the senator. Senator Sifuna, would you wish to be informed?
Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, he's the chair of PAC. He's my chair. I have to say yes. I don't have any option.
Mr. Speaker, I don't know why he said unfortunately, but but Mr. Speaker, the matter raised by Senator Methu is not true. Senator Sifuna would be right, because if you look at the regulations, the PFM County Government Regulations of 2015, and that is Regulation 25(1)F, whatever county assemblies get is supposed to be based on the equitable share of a county. The regulations that we passed currently puts it at 7% of a county's equitable share, or twice the personnel emoluments, whichever is greater. So it is not far-fetched for Senator Sifuna to say that the more money we send to counties, the more money that will be available to county assemblies. Not necessarily for salary, Mr. Speaker, but it could be for operations. It could be to facilitate public participation, public outreach, and to enable them to carry out their oversight and representation mandate. And so, Mr. Speaker, I just wanted to remind Senator Sifuna of this. We had discussed it in the morning, and he does not have to apologize to Senator Methu for making an impression that if we would have voted for 407 billion, then county assemblies would have been given access to more money to be able to carry out operations, which I know that the matter before us is about salaries and payments and benefits, but county assemblies would have gotten more money if the Senate gives more money to counties.
Senator Sifuna, proceed to conclude your remarks, please. Let's rest this matter there. Proceed to conclude your remarks.
I thank you, Mr. Speaker, but we understand the jitteriness of our colleagues when we discuss this matter.
Proceed to
because even their own MCAs ask them these questions when they go home. Mr. Speaker, finally,